Hello and welcome to Butler-HQ.
Today we'll be changing the wing on our BMW E34 540. The wing in question is this Euro car park wing that we managed to get on.
A special.
We have backyard painted it with rattle cans and clear coat.
We have indeed, yeah.
We're going to get it onto the car, then we're going to flat it down and see what results we can get. There is no way is this go to body shops. Those body shops and do it at home. Obviously, body shops, you always get a best finish every time. But a cheap wing on a 20-year-old car, you can get it to a good standard and make the car look presentable.
And save yourself some wonder.
So, stick with us and we'll get this wing bolted up. And this is the wing we'll be changing, the driver's side wing.
With the old damage down here.
Yeah, that was done when it was pulled out of the field. It was rolled or driven into something with pink, was it pink paint on there before?
Pinky, purpley pink, yeah.
So, we're going to get this wing off real quick. I'm going to show you how to do it. This is like a change. The only problem is if you had a pre-facelift, if you've got a facelift E34, there's some clips you have to take off to get your plastic bit at the bottom. So, we're going to open the bonnet. Or the hood. Yeah, we have to get the bumper off. And we'll have a clean engine bay. Not dirty. We have got our Perflex Black Series sticker in effect. Like that.
Like that.
And your bumper's held on by 4 nuts. Like so. Then we're going to pull the bumper forward. Yeah, to unwire some stuff.
Yeah.
Your fog lights.
And the pump.
And your pump is a 540 anyway.
Yeah, that's that.
Yeah.
The fog light, yeah, is the finger, yeah.
Yeah, protect your side. We are clear for takeoff.
Sorted.
Yeah.
Go.
Put that over here. Yeah, that'll be alarmed if some board's coming out. It's just your intensive headlight washer bottle leaking when you took the pump out. There we go.
There we go.
You have to take
That's it off now. That is that. We'll just loosen these off here so we can take it to the wing. You alright?
right.
So that's loose. Just a little bit.
You've got to take all the bolts off along the top.
Along the top.
Yeah, to get on this one, you've got to pull your trim back here.
Yeah.
Pull your trim back.
Without breaking it.
Very breaking it and undoing it.
Get me 10 mil. 10 mil.
Where's for 10 mil? Now he's got his 10 mil. You're making this really hard work, pal.
I don't know, I am here. I've just been flipping lazy. I should just take care of the wipe.
Normally though, when I take a wing off, I'll just hold it back and put a ratchet on.
Yeah. I was scared of flipping breaking the trim.
Yeah, you can do it and tighten it, can't you?
Yeah.
That's off.
Like that.
Yeah, you go into a door now. This is a bit high ice.
But it ain't too bad with a longer
Reach.
socket.
Oh, it's like when you're putting them back together and you have to sort of keep adjusting them from inside. Sorry baby, you can just see the back of Dad's there. Yeah, I'm trying to show as much of that. That's a better view.
So another one of that. And opens top in there. Next one's along the bottom edge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just gonna get me
With a bit of a fail. Yeah, you do a bottom, is there?
There's two.
We should smarten them up a lot more now when we sand it all down. I've done the door, I've flatted all that and sanded that and polished it all. We'll do a back panel. Then we've got to do one side, we've got to paint one side of the roof and blend this bit in. Dad done a marvellous job of blending on the other side. Well, on one bit. And you sort of forgot how to do it. It's paint all here. And you can't really see the blend. But there you can, but he's blended it somewhere here and you can't really see, it at all. It's grey, but he forgot how to blend on that side. And I'm too sure what was doing on this side because the blending went to crap. But the actual finish of it is lovely. It just don't show it up on film, but it's really good considering what we had before. If you check back on the videos. The wing has been off before. If anybody's wondering, she's a genuine brocade red 540 with parchment sports interior.
Bolt to come off.
She has LSD from factory as well, all automatic said. LSD from factory. That's why most of them got Pro. This is tragic, really.
I've got it back.
So you just unclip the indicator from its housing and it's done, it's out off. Last year when we had this off, was it last year?
No, it was end of 2017.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
okay, this was
Yeah.
ish.
But,
Now it's gone, so good job with changing it. Plus it's all gone there.
Drunky plant.
So, and this is what Boudica's inner wings look like. We've amortized black all the bottom to protect it. Quite solid really. So now it's time to fit the new wing on. So, I'll show them where we've rust proof part.
We have
If
a rust
people-
proofed it.
Those are the areas that like to sort of give away.
Yeah.
You could go all over and do it all if you wanted to. But really there's nothing that gets up past here and really air collects just over time loads of rubble and stuff. So this is what we've done, like, think's the best
option
yeah.
for doing it, so yeah.
There's a moment of truth now. Now it hasn't been wet sanded
Yet.
or anything, it's just been painted. No, it hasn't been nibbed or wet sanded or nothing. It's going to be nice seeing that with an uncrumpled wing. I am so excited. Very nice. This is a colour match we use. What's the place we use?
Gremlins.
Gremlins or Gremlins, yeah. West Bromwich. They do our paint matching for us. Also, to people watching this is oh god, what's the brand called?
Wong Tong or Wing
It's a
Tong.
Wong Tong. A Wong Tong
Or a Wong
wing. And a lot of people have been asking us about the fit of these. We've got one on the Golden Nugget, and we ain't too sure who fitted it, but we're going to fit this one, and we'll fit it to the best it will fit, so we know it's the best it will fit. So watch to the end if you want to see what these Wong Tong wings will fit like. I have to do that. Now, with all that laughter we just had, we realised a wing's actually called, because someone in the comment section will point it out, I'm sure, Tong Yang from Taiwan. Now, on the Nugget wing, it has not got made in Taiwan on.
No.
Maybe I'm proud of it. Tong Yang. But you did say the quality seemed to be better, didn't you,
I did.
so what we're going to do is we're going to put this over here and put you on time lapse, and you can see how long it will take us to get this wing right. We still haven't got the thick one right yet, but Dad requested 12 pence in 2 pence. Yeah. So what we doing, Pop?
Basically, right,
Yeah.
doing what I used to do on Mark 1 Vauxhall Cavalier. Now, they were genuine wings because I used to work at Vauxhall, the main dealer, but the wings was never right. So the tip was that if you can't bend them into shape properly, we used to put 2 pences along the top of them, which was to give it the eye.
And there you know. You imagine buying a Vauxhall from a guy who Dad worked, you know.
You're right.
So you take two pences out after now?
No, leave them in.
So there's somebody with an 80s Cavalier now on his drive thinking, well, look, Mark,
2 pences.
I found that wings only cost me whatever it is, and I've got a 2p back. Now, another question would be, well, pennies, rust on Elvis, in Elvis. But many times we figure with these, yeah, the likelihood of this wing being on a full year without it being took off is slim. So I like to check every 2 years. I like to have the wings off and check the soles. Back to the time lapse. See, folks, the issue we are having is this video. That's the issue we're having at a minute.
At the minute, but I've now got that line. Oh, sort of. I've got barely clipping my foot. So
from there it looks
I've
alright.
got the bottom line, the two, the bottom, and I've got that one lined up. That one just seems to need to come out a bit.
Jiggle it a bit.
A little jiggly.
See, it's well down the cast there.
Yeah.
It's like a little bit of, you see.
You see, which I've sort of got that now. No, what it is.
So you got those people. We pay how much do we pay for swing? 37 quid.
37
quid on the special. So.
And that's it's quite
right.
No.
You got to have the bottom 8 out on yet.
So it is more the wing itself.
So.
I don't know if I'm able to flip and jiggle that because I've got that pretty much nice. Eh? I've got that nice.
See, look, the only thing is when you bottom them two up,
it might sink.
So if you can just pull this maybe, because that might just as close and get it. I think. Well, what is it? Persevering. The side lines, the shadow lines will go across the body shadow lines are more lined up.
That's it, yeah.
Don't worry about the wing being matte. We have got some 3000 grit sandpaper and some putting compound.
Down to see if it's.
We haven't got to the bonnet yet, neither.
No.
Look, should the bonnet do, or the wing. I mean bumper. Oh, what, man? No, thanks, man.
Not just yet, cock. No. That catches into sun. No, tell you.
No, there's a nice little.
It's a nice gap, eh? Oh yeah, I was just making sure.
You know,
no, it's just.
No,
it's just. It isn't. Gap's quite there, right?
See, look, it can't come out no more, can it?
No, but coming here off. And look, so that's sort of like a proper one. You can see it's it's sort of close there, right?
Yeah.
If you look.
Yeah.
There now is flipping level. So I'm thinking if I bring that any more from the top,
yeah,
it might help there, but it might then sort of
take away there.
Push it. I'll have a look.
He's for, no, if the bolts up here,
This is
then
gonna
he
stop
can't
that
come out, can he?
Nah, so we'll have another little plot.
See, the art with fitting aftermarket wing
Is patience,
is really much patience here.
and also making sure if it's been painted, the wings flipping dry.
So the front wing has been fitted like we left off my last clip. It's about 2 days later now. Let's go over some of the fitting issues. Well, show you the fit. Like before you take there, you'll see a few marks because it's buffed. But I'm going to wait for it another week, give it another buff. So I just don't think the paint's cured enough. I just want to, do a bit more. It fits alright down there. It's sort of fitting around here. The other thing is that this beard comes in a bit at an angle, and you can't take it anymore because it knocks everything out. So that comes in a bit of an angle. I've got to get a little polishing attachment to get into there and to the top bit. That's why there's a few speckles on the top bit. Like I said, we've done it £1, so that has come off here a little bit. I haven't really done much to this surface here, so I want a little pad. Oh, that's sort of the finish you can get for under £100 and 3 evenings work. There is some little imperfection for what you're going to do. Slung gear, really deep flatted that, to be fair, because I want to burn through. Oh, it's alright. Looks alright from 10 feet, which is alright. So that's been us tinkering around with Boudica, BMW E34
540.
If you're looking, you might notice that we're flattening it again a bit. After the last video, I just checked it over just to see if I can improve it a bit much stress. I thought I could just go a bit more on the top just to get a bit more orange peel out. But now it's looking quite factory. I'm quite happy. Anything you want to add?
No, so yeah, right. It's yeah.
We're both happy. The wings are okay, or bar the top crease out, really.
Yeah.
But like I said, if you was good with filler, you could sort of filler it out a little bit, and it would be pucker if you was that thingy. But for 37 quid, you can already complain. And that's cost of wing paint about 50 quid.
Yeah.
You reviews paint up, painted up a bit as well. So a new wing painted £50 and 3 evenings work, really.
Yeah, really.
From like 4 till 6, really. Down 2 hours a night.
Yeah.
To it, yeah. So, and you can get a nice result. We are moving on to bigger and scarier panels. But for now, thanks for watching.
Bye bye.